process capability is a statistical measure of a process's ability to produce output within specified limits consistently. It assesses the variation in a process and compares it to the desired or allowable limits of variation, often using indicators like CP and CPK. A high process capability means the process consistently produces outputs that meet quality standards, indicating a well-controlled and efficient process. Understanding and improving process capability helps organizations minimize defects and reduce waste, leading to cost savings. By ensuring that processes perform reliably and efficiently, process capability supports operational excellence, enhances product quality, and increases customer satisfaction.
Visit drshrutibhat.com for more information on operational excellence and product development, industry-specific case studies and free white papers.